Ever look at your morning coffee and think, that cappuccino looks like it's got places to be? Or maybe you've stared into the vegetable crisper and imagined a tiny, terrified tomato sprinting for its life, pursued by a gang of menacing cucumbers. It sounds ridiculous, right? Welcome to the glorious, slightly unhinged world of AI animation, where your most absurd daydreams can become the next viral sensation. People love watching things that shouldn't move. It's surprising. It's hilarious. And with today's tools, you don't need a Hollywood studio. You just need a silly idea and a few minutes to spare. So, let's make some magic, or at least a very memorable running tomato. These clips take off because they're pure, unexpected joy. A delightful break from reality that's perfect for endless scrolling. First things first, we need our main character. This is where your imagination gets to run wild. Brave little toaster? Sassy coffee mug? For our example, let's go with a heroic running tomato. Use an AI image generator like Midjourney or DALL-E. They're magic wands that turn words into pictures. Be clear. Cute running tomato, cartoon style, big expressive eyes, full body with legs, simple white background. Think of it like ordering a very specific pizza. Try a few variations. Add a determined expression or a dynamic running pose. Then pick the one that screams future star. Front or three-quarter view works best. A hard side profile is trickier unless you're doing a side-scroller look. Ensure even lighting. Harsh shadows can look strange once the character starts moving. Resolution matters. Always download the highest quality version. A crisp, clean image means a cleaner animation. Think of this like casting the perfect actor. Save your star to your computer. Step 1. Complete. You've turned a concept into a tangible visual, the foundation for everything next. Admire your creation. You're already halfway to making something amazing. Now that our tomato has a face, a body, and a clear sense of purpose, it's time to make it move. Bring in the heavy hitters. Luma AI, or Runway Gen 2, designed to breathe life into a static image. Uploading is as simple as posting to social. The AI interprets your image, and the character takes its first wobbly steps. Describe motion in a prompt, running forward, or tiny fast steps. Use motion brushes or arrows. Literally paint the path on legs and arms. Start small. No backflips yet. Begin with a simple walk or run cycle. Focus on believable legs. Add a gentle arm swing and a little head bob. Make a short looping clip. Most tools generate a few seconds at a time. Preview, then iterate. Too fast legs? Too stiff body? Tweak and try again. Refine with small details, a blink, a hint of effort, that elevate the motion. When the loop feels right, export in high quality, usually MP4. Your tomato is no longer just a picture. It has momentum and a story in motion. Congratulations, it's alive. Now let's give it a voice, or at least hilarious footsteps. An animation without sound is like a joke without a punchline. Incomplete. Open CapCut or InVideo, import your clip, and drop it on the timeline. Start with SFX. Think character, not realism. Cute pitter-patter feet from a free library. Timing is everything. Place each footstep exactly when a foot hits the ground. Layer panting, a springy boing, and a tiny whoosh. Those cues sell the comedy. Next, music. Light, upbeat, a little frantic. Try fast ukulele or a quirky cinematic orchestra. Keep SFX on top. Duck the music and use fades so footsteps remain the focus. Optional, add a punchy line like, "Run little guy, run." When it feels balanced, export 16.9 at 1080p. You now have a complete mini-scene with personality. You've done it. Turned an inanimate object into a running character with movement, sound, and a story. Before you publish, add a short, bold caption. Ground your character with a subtle shadow to make it feel real. Share smart. YouTube for 16:9. TikTok, Reels, Shorts for 9:16. Reformat quickly in CapCut or InVideo. Use relevant hashtags to help discovery. Show how you made it. People love the process. It builds community and turns one viral clip into a creative reputation.